Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today, I wanted to show you how easy it is to make your own homemade pizza. First, I'll start with a quick and easy dough recipe and how to make your own homemade sauce. First, add 1.5 cups of warm water. And then 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. And then a 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar. And mix it together and let it sit for 10 minutes. And watch the yeast come to life with the warm environment and with the sugar. And then after the 10 minutes, you'll want to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. And then start mixing it. You'll want to mix it on low until all of the flour is mixed in, and then turn it up to medium speed for about 5 to 7 minutes, and let your mixer do the kneading. And then your dough might be a little sticky, but the trick is if you have olive oil on your hands, it's a lot easier. You'll want to form it into a ball like this. Pinch it at the back and then drop it in the bowl. And then cover your bowl with saran wrap and let it sit so it can rise. And now it's time to make your pizza sauce. If you have basil growing in your garden, use it. You'll also need cans of San Marzano peeled tomatoes. First, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to your food processor. And then you will need some garlic, 2 to 3 cloves. And then you'll be adding the tomatoes, but you'll want to squeeze out the sauce first. Squeeze all the juice out before adding it. And then add a handful of basil and season it with salt and pepper. And then mix it together. This pizza sauce is so simple and so delicious. Taste it, and if it needs some more salt, add it, and then mix it again. And that's it. Your sauce is ready. And now it's time to get your dough ready. Sprinkle on some flour. Remove your dough from the bowl. And then you'll want to flour each side. You'll want to cut this into 3 pieces. Out of this dough, you can get 3 pizzas, 3 medium-sized pizzas. So depending on the size of pizza that you want, you might want to have 2 larger pizzas and 1 smaller one. So just cut it accordingly. That's it. Very simple. And if you want to put them in a Ziploc bag, you can save it for another day. The dough will last a couple days in the fridge. And I've heard you could even freeze it. So we'll start with 1 pizza dough. And this is how you hand toss your dough. Hand tossing your pizza definitely makes it have a thicker crust, and I think if you rolled it out, your pizza would end up a lot bigger. But for this pizza, we are now going to be adding some sauce. And one other little tip, add flour to your pizza peel so your dough does not stick to it. And now add your toppings. For this pizza, we're adding some olives and some Parmesan cheese. My daughter doesn't like cheese really, but she does like Parmesan. Add a little bit of olive oil on top before cooking, and there you go. You'll want to have it in a 500-degree oven. With this dough and sauce recipe, you can really make any pizza you want. Stay tuned for a future video where we show you how to make a sheet pan pizza using this dough. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy cooking.